Say hello, Billy. Hello. Boom, 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 boom. Brogan, why do you have your snow boots on, man?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't feel like wearing...
I have my toe boots.
You didn't feel like wearing your tennis shoes today?
I'm not.
I know you're not.
I want to wear my boots. I keep missing.
We'll put it on YouTube. That's what we do. The Runaway Daily.
We have a YouTube channel called Summer Smiles.
Yeah.
We post a video every day.
Yeah. It's kind of freaky.
Ah! Come on, let's try your outfit on. Woo! Butt hit me, kiddo. Well, Brinley got a package in the mail today from my parents, and it was this outfit. What do you think? I like it. It's pretty cool. Makes her kind of look like hippie. It's like hippie flower colors, but it's nice and fallish, and she likes it. Thanks a lot, Mom and Dad. Appreciate it. Brinley's over a year old, and she still has not learned how to chew. One, two, three, and it's down. One. Oh, that was just a one chew and then down. You're getting good. What you got, bro? And dinner, you're drinking juice out of a princess cup. What's up with that, man?
I don't know.
I don't know. That's not very boyish. That's girly.
Goldie for Billy.
Girly for Brinley.
Yeah.
Put your hand down, silly.
I don't hate you.
Okay, guys, we're gonna play a number game, and I'll tell you what the prize is gonna be. The prize is gonna be a memory. I'm thinking of a number.
13.
Actually was 13. I chose 13 in my head because I remember saying something about 13 to him. Like today the 13th. Or no, I said no. I said something at the table about 13. Oh, do you know? He asked me how long an alligator was down in Florida or some stupid stuff, and I said 13 feet, and he goes, "Oh, I don't know."
4.5.
But I said 13, and that's the first number that came to my head. So Tori, she gets the memory from episode 2.
Oh my god, it really is a cider mill.
That's the coin Holly gave us that Dylan didn't use. Remember?
I'm going to the basement. Oh.
Brogy, you need to eat.
Look, Brogan bit me earlier. It started turning purple.
See? Everybody might think Brogan's all laughs and smiles and giggles, but he has a darker, more violent side. He's a cannibal at heart.
Candy cone! It's what's for dinner!
Candy cone, that's for dinner. Lunch. Ice cream.
You didn't eat your real corn, so you don't get candy corn. Is it good?
Dude, what are you doing, cowgirl? I'm gonna be. Oh, you're out. He's out of there. All right, see you, Tori.
Dad, unlock the door.
You getting off now?
If you unlock the door.
Dang it, Walmart. Why do you have everything I could ever look for? It gets so old coming to you every single time to get whatever I need. I wish I could, like, split up the monotony by having different stores with different things in them, like the small town of Elma used to be. I don't know. Press the button! That's what happens when the baby gets the car keys. She presses the alarm button at 7:30 at night. Chris, I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my... Hey, don't cry. Well, we just installed Lion operating system 10.7.2. This is supposed to fix the problem where after waking from sleep it temporarily loses network. So hopefully this will work. Cross your fingers.
Hey Dad, I'm gonna play the
Cross your fingers.
I can play sheet music. Don't record it though.
Okay, go ahead.